Oh, hey. You probably didn't think I was gonna come on this video, right? Well, here's the thing. It's my video. Okay, but I have very good news for you. I'm not gonna bore you to death. I'm not going to just keep talking like this, like I always do. I'm just gonna say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy these LUTs. I hope you use them. I pretty much created these as I was building up videos throughout the year. It's just like, you know, when you add filters or when you create presets on Lightroom, you just continue to tweak and until you like a set and you start creating them, right? So that's technically what this is, and I hope you like it. Oh, and if you do end up using it, you know, I encourage you to tag me somewhere so I can find your work. I would love to see what you did with it. You know, if you have any questions or if you want to see more of these, or if you want to know how this works, or maybe I'll drop a tutorial on it, just drop a comment below. I'll help you guys out. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and